In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable website tracking in Salesflare. By the end, you'll know how to turn on tracking, add the code to your website, and understand exactly how Salesflare starts attributing visits to your contacts so you can see which pages they view and how long they stay. First, open Salesflare and head to your settings. Click your profile icon or the Settings menu, then navigate to Settings, choose Applications and Integrations, and scroll until you see the Website Tracking section. Click Show Script to reveal your unique tracking code. This snippet is what connects your website to your Salesflare account, so keep it as is and don't modify it. Next, install the tracking script on your website. Website tracking works by adding a small JavaScript snippet to your site. The simplest approach is to add it directly to your site's code. Copy the entire script from Salesflare, then paste it into the head section of every page you want to track, ideally right before the closing head tag. If your site uses a theme or a website builder, look for a global header or site-wide code injection field. Adding it there ensures it appears on every page automatically. If you manage multiple templates or subdomains, make sure the snippet is present across each one you care about. After you save and publish, it's a good idea to clear your cache and quickly view a page's source to confirm you can see the script inside the head. Avoid pasting the snippet more than once on the same page. Now here's how the tracking actually works. Once the script is installed, Salesflare will start logging website visits on contact timelines, but only after a contact has been associated with a device. In practice, that usually happens when the person clicks a tracked email link you sent from Salesflare. That click links their browser identity to their contact record, which allows visits to show up under the right person going forward. Anonymous visitors won't be tied to a contact until that association occurs. When visits are logged, you'll see which pages were viewed, when they were viewed, and how long the visitor stayed on each page. If you don't see data right away, give it a little time after publishing your changes. Verify the script appears in the head on the pages you're tracking, and make sure your emails include tracked links so contacts can be identified when they click. Once these pieces are in place, Salesflare will enrich your contact timelines with clear, actionable website activity you can use to prioritize outreach and follow up at the perfect moment.